Marcel's Custom Metal. And I think I've made it. It's just gonna be a few clips from the most awesome place here in Norco that makes the most awesome things for people from bare metal. This is the before. Just endless amount of sheets of 3003 H14. And then through all the cutters and splitters and bangers and benders and stretchers, you get this. That's after. Some of the rides start with a big drawing like this. Some of them start like ideas. Then they develop from flat sheets into the art you see. Luke's favorite style of buck is the metal one. This is the beginning of his personal roadster. There's Luke right there, had a little boo-boo in his arm, but that car right there is what he created from this buck. Pretty incredible, huh? Just an amazing thing. And I gotta mention too, his dad, I watched him make Auburn Speedster stuff with a wooden mallet and that stump. This very stump right here. Wow. Craftsmanship. Unbelievable craftsmanship. From a stump. We got to show off some of the tools and the patterns. You got all this patterns right here. And that's what you use for shaping. Here's an example. Eckold. This the tool right here is pretty neat. And you got a shrinker stretcher right there, and various hand forming tools. But the shrinker stretcher is a really cool tool because you can take a straight piece of metal, and you see the little teeth mark right there. That's from the shrinker stretcher grabbing and stretching it. You can see how it turns that whole piece this way when you stretch it on this side. Pretty cool, huh?
This is the small project.
Just full of people today. What a show. What a way to end your day, or begin your day, I should say, before we go to the roaster show. Another shrinker stretcher, a shear, like a bead roller, early style. I think that's a Pexto. And a homemade little deal. It's intricate, totally adjustable, using some gears and a cranker. And you got a professional bead roller right here, also homemade, with a whole stack of homemade dies. I know I filmed this before, but I'm still just amazed at where they came from and what they have accomplished over the years. They're just making trim. Just amazing craftsmanship. Marcel's Custom Metal. Corona, actually, is in Norco, California. And you can come visit them today. Usually has a good show before every Grand National Roaster show is going on this weekend, so yeah, baby. He's got a 20-page spread in Wheel Hub magazine too, which is pretty cool. So anyhow, you should come join us here and all the cool people hanging out at Marcel's Custom Metal. And yes, Customikes made the wall right there between Thru's and Marcel's stuff. I'm honored and proud. I love you all. See ya.